Now today I'm just going to do a demo on using some paint stripper. Now what I've got to do is to redo this barge board or fascia board. Now because it's so low, obviously I can touch it and I'm standing on a deck, so it's quite low. So being low, therefore it's quite visual. So I'd like this to look new again. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put paint stripper on it, take it back to bare timber, and then use some more decking oil and re-oil it all. So what I'm using is just a normal everyday paint remover that you buy. Now what I'd normally do if I'm using paint stripper, I'll make sure I'll tip it into a smaller tin. So what I've found myself, I've got a smaller container here and I'll apply it out of this small container. Also I've got a bucket of water handy. Now normally I'd recommend you should wear gloves when doing it, but I've done this many times and I'm fairly careful with what I do. But I have a bucket of water here, so if I do get paint stripper on my hands, I'll just stick my hand straight into the bucket of water and wash it off. So when applying it, you want to be very careful and put plenty up. Whoops, and put plenty on. Now this brush has probably got a little bit of water left in it from when I washed it out. So as you see, I'm trying to get as much on there as I can, so it's a nice thick paste. Now being a decking oil, this is quite easy to remove. It's actually a water based. I just got paint stripper on my hand then, so before it starts stinging I'll just quickly give my hand a wash. Now once you've applied the paint stripper, let it sit. You can see this is all reacting fairly quickly. There's a few spots it's not, so I'm just going to go over them again. So you normally would leave this say 5, 10 to 15 minutes to react. Every paint will react differently, so some you may need to leave a lot longer. So what I'll do now is I'm going to go through and remove it. I've actually got a tin handy because I don't want to mess everywhere. And as you see, that's coming off very easily. So now I've gone through and removed the stain, the paint or the stain, whatever you want to call it. Now I'll go through and wash it off, because once you've used the paint stripper you should always neutralise it with water. So I'll go through, wash it off, sand it all down, and when I'm finished, hopefully it'll look like new again. So that's just been a bit of a demo on how to use some paint stripper.